Hey, this is John Crowley from UTV Guide. We're going to be doing some field mowing this morning, and I'm going to set up our Kunz Engineering AcrEase rough cut mower to do offset mowing. This is a pretty cool way to get down close to water or off the edge of a berm or something like that. So check it out. This is our mower, and it's pretty simple to set it up for offset mowing. All you do is change these pins around, take them off, flip the arm around that connects to the UTV, and you're ready to go. One of the things about offset mowing like this, as you can see, when I take a turn to the left, I can get the mower tucked up really tight against obstacles like trees and everything, where I can make a tight turn and cut in a tight circumference really easy. Look out the driver's side door and see exactly what you're doing so you don't run anything over. So our tow vehicle for our rough cut mower is a Can-Am Defender HD10. That's a 1000cc work machine, and this is actually the XTP model Defender. It comes with upgraded FOX shocks, a bumper that you can put a winch on, and we've added obviously the ITP tires, and we've also got a skid plate on here from factory UTV. So it's all set up to do work around here or get out on the trail and explore. All right, so we just got finished mowing probably about 3 or 4 acres. Some of it is super wet, swamp grass type stuff. You can see how wet it is out here, but the grass grows super quick. We've got a wetlands tire kit on our Kunz Engineering AcrEase so that it helps keep it up and out of the mud. And on our Can-Am Defender, we've got a set of 30-inch ITB Versacross tires. They've got really good traction and gives you a little bit more ground clearance for this kind of stuff. People really don't think about adding bigger tires when you're doing utility work, but these really give you a lot more ground clearance and float also in this really muddy conditions. Keeps you from high centering and just keeps the mud and everything away from the skid plate. The Defender comes stock with these door nets, which I'm not a big fan of for utility work. They kind of get in the way, but of all the nets I've seen on different utility vehicles, and it's all for liability type purposes, these at least stash out of the way so you can get in and out a little bit easier, and they're tied to the bottom so they don't flop around and get behind the rear tires or anything. This Defender is a 3-seater. The seats fold up. They've got extra storage underneath the passenger seat, and this is actually a removable storage bin that you could take in and out. You can stash more gear underneath there if you want. Leave it up and put even more, you dog or whatever in there, more stuff. This bin also, like I showed you, is removable, and it has 6 kilogram max capacity. Pretty good size. The glove compartment is also pretty neat. You lift it up here. I've got some stuff in there already, but you can also take this thing with you. you know, if you want to go fishing or something, take this with you when you come back. Latch it back in and it stays put. Kind of a neat design. Now this model also has different diff locks on it, so you can get out in these muddy conditions, so you're not going to get stuck. You've got two-wheel drive with turf mode. You've got your front and rear locking differentials that are separate on here. There's the differential lock and the front differential lock and normal 4x4 with them all open, so you can get a better turning radius. You've also got an echo mode on the throttle, normal and work mode.